27 will launch this fall for all users, and there's a lot for the Apple Wallet app in it. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Apple Wallet is continually improving, and iOS 27 will bring more new features to Wallet users. Create a Pass is a new feature you'll find when you hit the plus button inside iOS 27's Wallet app. It enables you to create a pass in one of two ways: scan a physical pass to import it using your iPhone's camera and visual intelligence, create a pass manually from scratch, which will use Apple Intelligence capabilities. The goal is that Apple wants to make the Wallet app your go-to hub for all kinds of passes, whether they're digital or physical. You can also split a bill with Apple Cash in iOS 27. When you use new Siri mode in the camera app to scan a receipt, you'll see the option to split bill with Apple Cash. From here, the Wallet app opens, and you'll be presented with options to request payment from others or pay your share. It's quick, easy, and offers another reason to use Apple Cash. And if you use Apple Card regularly, there's a hub in iOS 27 for all your recurring transactions. Behind the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the Apple Card screen, there's a new recurring option showing you all upcoming recurring transactions. This new section provides an easy way to track current subscriptions and see upcoming charges. Along with this, the last noteworthy iOS 27 feature for Apple Wallet involves hotel keys. Apple Wallet will offer an enhanced key experience for participating hotels and resorts. Right now, it allows guests to seamlessly unlock their rooms and hotel amenities using their iPhone or Apple Watch. And with the new enhanced key experience, they will also be able to view even more details about their trips, receive timely updates about booked activities, and access services available during their stay, all inside Apple Wallet. There's also an Insights feature in Wallet for tracking spending across multiple cards. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.